about to tell you the wonderful, wonderful news. There's a new addition to the family. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh man.
I got 1901. Hey. Your birthday is this constant reminder to everyone, all your loved ones, how many people died. And if you want your life not to die, I suggest you comply. Huh?
You have no idea what it's like.
Yeah, I do. Really? Ah! Got your nose too.
Yeah, now what? I got yours. What?
I'm holding Felicia's nose hostage. This is a serious situation. I could bite her nose off and it would be gone. Oh well.
No, I'll do it. Give Rebecca knows and I'll bite yours.
You want yours? Hers is back.
Yeah, okay.
Crisis averted. My breath is not supposed to
Ow! Ow! Looking all around the
Wait, everyone be quiet.
That was like...
Actually, the air around it that I just munched on tasted a little bit like pizza. Yeah, it tasted like pizza. We are rebels without a cause.
Yeah, I like the specials.
Right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey, you, always on the run, trying to slow it down, baby, trying to have some fun.
I want to shoot myself.
I'll be back.
No, I love cats.
Go die.